Hey guys, Ken with Family Handyman. We've all been there before when we're at a gathering and we want to crack open a bottle of beer and we can't find a bottle opener. Well, I'm going to show you a few ways today, a few unique ways to crack open a bottle of beer that are sure to impress your friends, your family, and heck, maybe even your date. Let's get started. For this first trick, you're going to need a pair of scissors. And all you have to do, you go down right beneath the cap, place the scissors there, and then twist up slightly, and there you go. For this next one, you'll need a spoon. And you're going to use your thumb as leverage and just go up underneath the cap, then pop it off. For this next one, you'll need a lighter. All you have to do is go underneath the cap, use your thumb as leverage again, and then pry the cap off. This next one's pretty standard. I bet we've all tried it. All you need is a table edge, and you just notch the cap right there, and then boom, good to go. If you want to blow some minds, head to your wallet, pull out $1, and fold it in half, hamburger way. And then fold it again, and then again, grab the beer, and put that dollar bill right underneath, and then start prying up, and you've literally impressed everybody at the party. You don't have a bottle opener, but you probably have a few other cold ones nearby. So grab one of those, turn it upside down, and put the cap right underneath the cap of the one you want to open, and go ahead and pry up. And there you go. This just might be the best way to enter a room. All you have to do is go to a doorway and put the cap inside the strike plate and pull, and there you go. So for this one, all you need is a rubber band. You go ahead and wrap it around the cap, and you start cranking on it, and eventually it'll come off. So hopefully those beer bottle opening tips will help you out next time you find yourself without a bottle opener. But honestly, it might be easier to just go ahead and get cans of beer. Very simple fix. So for more tips like these, head to FamilyHandyman.com.